Anisha arrived in Toronto, full of hope and ambition, ready to embrace a new chapter in her life. The bustling city, with its towering skyscrapers and diverse culture, seemed like the perfect place to pursue her dreams. She envisioned a future filled with academic success and personal growth. Little did she know, the path ahead would present some unexpected hurdles. But she quickly faced an unexpected challenge: her lack of a credit history. This invisible barrier was something she hadn't anticipated, and it threatened to complicate even the simplest of tasks. The concept of credit, so integral to life in North America, was entirely foreign to her. She tried to get a phone plan, eager to connect with family and friends back home, but was asked for a credit score, a concept she'd never encountered in Nepal. The phone store employee explained that without a credit history, it would be difficult to approve her application. Anisha felt a wave of confusion and frustration wash over her. Suddenly, simple things like renting an apartment, a crucial step in establishing her new life, or buying a used laptop to help with her studies, became complicated. Landlords and retailers alike were asking for proof of creditworthiness, something she simply didn't have. She realized her financial reputation back home meant nothing here. All the hard work and responsibility she had demonstrated in Nepal seemed irrelevant in this new context. Her friends in Australia and the US faced the same invisible barrier. They shared stories of rejection and frustration, united by their lack of credit history. They were all responsible students, diligent and committed to their studies. But in their new countries, they were starting from zero, forced to navigate a complex financial system without any prior experience. The freedom they dreamed of was locked behind a system they didn't understand, a system that seemed designed to exclude them. For thousands of Nepalese students abroad, academic challenges are expected, a natural part of the learning process. But financial ones like credit scores come as a surprise, an unexpected obstacle on their path to success. Understanding credit isn't just about money. It's about unlocking opportunities and independence, gaining access to the resources they need to thrive. Anisha's confusion was the first step on her journey to financial literacy, a journey that would empower her to take control of her future. Every international student must learn to navigate this new world, to understand the rules of the game and how to play it effectively. The journey starts with understanding what a credit score really is, demystifying this seemingly complex concept. Let's break it down and equip you with the knowledge you need to succeed. A credit score is your financial report card. Think of it as a snapshot of your financial health, a quick way for lenders and other institutions to gauge how you handle your financial responsibilities. It's a crucial piece of your financial identity. A three-digit number, typically ranging from 300 to 850, that shows how responsible you are with money. It's a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, reflecting your past borrowing and repayment behavior. This number is used to predict how likely you are to repay future debts. It ranges from 300 to 850, with the higher end of the spectrum indicating a better credit profile, with higher numbers meaning you're a lower risk to lenders. A high score signals that you're reliable and likely to repay your debts on time, making you a more attractive borrower. Credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion calculate this score by tracking your bill payments, debts, and other financial behaviors, and how long you've had credit. The length of your credit history is a factor, as it provides a more comprehensive view of your repayment habits over time. Every payment, loan, or missed bill can affect your score, either positively or negatively. Consistent on-time payments build a positive credit history, while late or missed payments can damage your score. Think of it like borrowing books from a library. Return them on time and you build trust with the library. They're more likely to let you borrow again in the future. Your credit score is your borrowing reputation, reflecting how trustworthy you are as a borrower. It affects more than just loans. Its influence extends to various aspects of your life. It can impact your ability to rent an apartment, as landlords often check credit scores to assess potential tenants. Get a phone plan, as mobile carriers may use credit checks to determine eligibility for service, or even land certain jobs, particularly those involving financial responsibilities or security clearances. As a new international student, you don't have a bad score. You have no score, which can be just as challenging in some situations. That's why Anisha was confused. She was starting from scratch in a new financial environment. She had no history for companies to check, making it difficult to establish her creditworthiness. Building your credit history is your first financial task abroad, a crucial step towards financial independence. It's not about wealth, but about showing reliability and demonstrating responsible financial habits. Even students with modest means can build strong credit by paying bills on time and managing their finances responsibly. Let's see why this number matters so much and how you can start building a positive credit history as an international student. For international students, a good credit score is your golden ticket to independence. Landlords, lenders, and even phone companies check your score before offering services. Without credit, you might pay higher deposits or get stuck with less desirable options. Need a car loan or emergency funds? Your credit score determines if you qualify and what interest rate you get. Good credit can save you thousands over time. Planning to stay after graduation? A strong credit history is essential for getting a mortgage or starting a business. Even daily life is easier. Insurance premiums drop and utility companies may waive deposits. Every small win adds up, freeing your cash for what matters most. Building credit is an investment in your future. Don't neglect it. Start early and build a solid foundation. Here's how to do it. Building credit from scratch is easier than it seems. Start by opening a secured credit card. Your deposit becomes your limit, making approval easier. Use the card for small, regular purchases and always pay your bill on time. On-time payments are the most important factor in your score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid late fees. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your limit. Pay off your full balance each month to avoid interest and show you're in control. Be patient. Building credit takes time. Don't open too many accounts at once. Start with one and use it responsibly. After 6-12 months, you may qualify for a regular credit card. Consistency and patience are key. These habits will build a strong credit foundation. But beware of common traps. Avoiding mistakes is as important as building good habits. Missing a payment can drop your score and haunt your report for years. Set up automatic payments or calendar alerts. Never rely on memory alone. Don't max out your credit card. High balances make you look risky. Treat your credit limit as a safety buffer, not a spending target. Avoid applying for too many cards or loans at once. Each application can lower your score. Choose one good starter card and stick with it. Don't close your oldest account. A longer credit history boosts your score. When you upgrade to a better card, keep your first account open and use it occasionally. A long positive history is a powerful asset. Stay strategic, patient, and disciplined. These simple steps will protect your score. Now let's talk about loans and approvals. When you need a loan for a car tuition or emergencies, understanding the process is crucial. Lenders check your credit score and proof of income before approving you. As a new student, you may need to show pay stubs, employer letters, or bank statements. If your credit is too new or income too low, a cosigner with good credit can help. A cosigner promises to repay if you can't, making lenders more likely to approve you. This can also lower your interest rate, but it's a big responsibility for your cosigner. Always read loan terms carefully, know the interest rate, monthly payment, and fees. Make sure you can afford the payments before signing. A loan should help, not hurt, your financial future. Use credit wisely to build, not damage your score. Navigating credit and loans can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. MOBEECO is your financial co-pilot, an app designed for Nepalese international students. It guides you step by step, offering personalized credit-building tips and reminders for payment due dates. MOBEECO helps you find student-friendly secured cards and demystifies credit concepts. The app also tracks your income and spending, making budgeting simple. By seeing where your money goes, you can make smarter decisions and always pay bills on time. MOBEECO connects you with a community of Nepalese students abroad. Share experiences, ask questions, and learn from others on the same journey. From finding the best bank accounts to negotiating rent, the community is a valuable resource. With MOBEECO, you're never alone in your financial journey. Let's hear from students who've been there. Real stories show us the path. They illuminate the way forward, offering tangible examples of how others have navigated similar challenges. They demonstrate how small actions, consistently applied, can make a big difference in the long run. It's not about overnight success, but about the power of compounding effort. Take Samir, for example, a student in Vancouver. He arrived with dreams and aspirations, just like many of you. He started with a secured credit card, a tool to build his credit history from scratch. He diligently used it for everyday expenses like groceries, and crucially, paid it off in full each week. This consistent behavior was key. Within just 8 months, thanks to his responsible usage, he qualified for a better, unsecured credit card, a significant milestone in his financial journey. This not only improved his credit score but also boosted his overall financial standing, opening doors to future opportunities. Then there's Priya in Sydney. She learned the hard way about the importance of credit utilization. Maxing out her credit card seemed like a quick fix, but it ultimately led to a loan rejection, a painful lesson in responsible credit management. Undeterred, she took control of the situation. She diligently paid down her balance and made a conscious effort to keep her credit usage below 30% of her available credit limit. This responsible behavior started turning things around, demonstrating the power of learning from mistakes and adopting better habits. Rohan, studying in Texas, faced a different challenge. He needed a car to commute to his internship, a crucial step in his career development. However, he had very little credit history, making it difficult to secure a car loan. Seeking guidance, he turned to the MOBEECO community. The advice he received led him to explore options at a local credit union. There, he was able to secure a fair loan thanks to his steady income and the credit union's willingness to look beyond traditional credit scores. These stories, though unique, all highlight the power of consistency in building good financial habits. They also underscore the importance of learning the rules of the financial system, understanding how credit works, and making informed decisions. And finally, they emphasize the value of seeking wisdom and support from a community of peers who understand your challenges. Remember, building credit is a journey, not a sprint. It's a process of taking small, deliberate steps, one at a time. The financial system may seem daunting and new, but it's not an unbeatable obstacle. With the right habits, a solid understanding of the rules, and the support of a strong community, any Nepalese student can master their finances and achieve their dreams. Don't let confusion hold you back. Turn that confusion into confidence. Start your journey towards financial empowerment today. Your future self, reaping the rewards of your hard work and smart decisions, will undoubtedly thank you. Now let's wrap up by identifying your very first step on this exciting path. Don't delay. Take action now. Your journey abroad is already a testament to your courage and ambition. Building your financial life is the next chapter. Credit scores and loans may seem daunting, but you can master them. Start with small, consistent habits. Get a secured card, pay bills on time, and keep balances low. Use tools like MOBEECO to guide you. Track your spending and connect with others. Don't let confusion hold you back. Take the first step today. Download the app, explore its features, and join the community. Let technology simplify your financial journey. Your education abroad is an investment in yourself. So is your financial literacy. Embrace the challenge and build skills that will serve you for life. Remember Anisha's story. Confusion is just the beginning. Your journey to financial empowerment starts now. Take control and build the secure future you deserve.